Hello, everyone. So, why don't eggs tell jokes? Well, because they crack each other up. All right. In the future, it doesn't matter if you're. I'm in introduction to engineering design, but this could apply to other classes as well. In the future, you're going to have some type of lesson where you're going to have to create a Google Slides presentation, share that with your other group members so that they could work on it as well, and then all turn in the same assignment. So I wanted to kind of show you how to do that. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to your Google Drive. So if you go to drive.google.com, that should open it up. I actually need to switch my user right here to make sure that I'm on the correct user. So I want to make sure that I'm on my main 207 user. You want to be on your S207 user. And now that I'm here, I'm going to want to click on New. And you come down here to Google Slides. Okay. So now this is going to be your presentation that you work on. So this is your presentation. So you're going to want to share this with your group members so that they can edit it and work on the presentation as well. So the way that you do that is you're going to click on the share button and you need to give it a name. So this is a fine name for this. That's fine. I'll hit save. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and share it with just another email address that I have. Okay, and I'm going to write a comment. This is our presentation. And then I'll hit send. And then I'm just going to hit yes and sending. Okay, so when I did that, you notice right down here, I'm going to come back to the share link. It says shared with Greg Reichelt. That's me. And notice that person can edit. So you just want to make sure that that person can edit and then hit done. So when you share a presentation with your group members, make sure that they can edit. And then your group members, if shared correctly, should get some type of email that says like the presentation or whatever. So your group members will be able to open up that presentation from their email and click on to open it in Slides. And you'll be able to see like multiple people working on the document at the same time. Notice this is highlighted in green, so that means this person right here is working on it. And if like I started to add something right here, notice I'm adding that in blue. So if I create a new slide here from this user, then that new slide will exist over there. So both people will be able to work on the presentation at the same side. Now, in terms of turning this in, you're going to want to click on this share button again. You're going to want to click on this get shareable link right here. And then you're going to need to switch this from anyone at Main Township. Click on more. Click on anyone with a link right there. So that means regardless of what user I'm logged in as or whatever, just click on this anyone with a link. Then you'll hit save and copy link. And then this link right here, this link that you just copied, this is what you want to turn in. So for instance, on this particular assignment 1.9, once you guys get to 1.9, but this could be, there's multiple assignments that this is going to exist in the future. I'm going to say something to the effect of please provide me with a link to your presentation below. You're just going to want to paste that link in. So when you paste that link in, I'm glad that it didn't. This one did not create a hyperlink. So like this is just a long like text URL. Please click this link right there to insert a link so that this now becomes a link to the presentation. It'll just make it a lot easier for me to be able to click on. You could also say something like, this is our presentation, select it, and then click the link button, and then you can just paste that same link in there and hit apply, and then this will go to that link. Now every member in your group will have to paste this exact link onto their own onto their own worksheet. So usually I have students, everyone has to turn in their own worksheet, but it's okay if the links within the worksheet are the same. So, and because all members that are working on this have edit rights, they should all be able to share the document, get the share link, and so on. So yeah, so hopefully this was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions.